In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk email using Brevo. To get started, open your browser and log into your Brevo account. Make sure you are signing into the correct workspace if your account has access to more than one. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard so you can easily find the marketing tools. Next, look to the left sidebar, click Marketing, and then choose Campaigns. This is where Brevo keeps your email campaigns, including drafts, scheduled sends, and messages you have already sent. Staying organized here helps you avoid editing the wrong email, especially if you run multiple campaigns. Now find the email campaign you want to work on. In the list of campaigns, locate the specific email you plan to send or update. On the right side of that row, click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the campaign editor, where you can confirm the key details before sending to a large group. Inside the editor, you will fill in the From, Subject, and Design sections. For From, choose a sender name and sender email that your audience will recognize and trust. For the subject, write a clear line that matches the content of your email, because this is what people see first in their inbox. Then move to Design. This is where you build or review the email layout and content. Take your time here to check formatting, links, and spacing. If you have personalization fields, confirm they display correctly. A quick proofread can prevent mistakes from going out to your entire list. When the message looks right, click Add Recipients. Select your list carefully, since this controls exactly who will receive the email. If you manage multiple lists, pause and confirm the list name so you do not send to the wrong audience. Finally, go to the top right and click Schedule. Choose Send Now to deliver the campaign immediately. Before you finalize, do one last check of the sender, subject, design, and recipient list, since these are the most common areas for errors in bulk sends. And that is all there is to it.